Hey everyone, let's dive into an important term in affiliate marketing that you might come across when joining an affiliate program, and that is a manual approval. So what is a manual approval? Manual approval refers to the process where an affiliate program reviews and approves your application before you can start promoting their products. Unlike instant approval programs, which accept yours automatically, manual approval requires a human review of your information to ensure you meet their criteria. How does it work? Here's how the process typically goes. You apply. Fill out an application form providing details like your website, niche, audience, and marketing plans. The company reviews. A representative evaluates your application to ensure your business aligns with their brand and values. You're notified. If you meet their standards, they'll approve you and grant access to their affiliate materials. If not, they may reject your application or ask for more information. Why is manual approval important? For companies, manual approval helps protect their reputation by ensuring affiliates represent them professionally. For affiliates, being manually approved often means partnering with the higher quality programs, which can lead to better products and potentially higher commissions. Quick tip: when applying to programs with manual approval, take your time to craft a solid application. Highlight how you'll promote their products, include links to our website and/or social media, and show that you're serious about adding value to their brand. So that's a quick look at a manual approval in affiliate marketing. While it might take a little extra effort, being part of a manually approved program can lead to a great partnerships and a long-term success. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more affiliate marketing insights and tips. See you in the next video.